Welcome to Learn TV. Lipni Lugti Learn TV. Today, I'll guide you step by step through making a true Latvian feast. Crispy pork schnitzels, creamy mushroom sauce, golden roasted potatoes, and refreshing cold beetroot soup or Aukstā Zupa. Sodien solipa solim gatavosim istu Latviesu klasiku. Kraukskigas kugalas Schnitzels, kremigus enu mershi, zeltainus keptus kartupelus un Auksto Biesu zupu jeb Auksto zupu. This meal brings generations together and is always served with a thick slice of rye bread. Si ir maltit, kas vieno paudzes un vien mertiek pas niekta, ar biesu rupšmaizes skeli. Before we start, let's review the ingredients for each dish. Pirm sakam, iziesim kauri sastav dalam. Grab a pen and paper or just follow along. Panemiet piltspalvu un papiru vai vien karsi sekojiet lidzi. For the pork schnitzels you'll need kugalas snaiseli jums, busne pizzi-sams, 4 boneless pork chops, about 1 centimeter thick, 4 beskaula kugalas carbonades apmaram 1 centimeter biezas, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 glaze kviesu miltu, 2 large eggs, 2 lielas olas, 1 to 1.5 cups breadcrumbs, 1 lids 1, 5 glazes rivmezes, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tejkarotisals, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 tejkarotis melno piparu, vegetable oil for frying, augu ella kepsanai, lemon wedges for serving, citrona skelites pas negsanai. For the creamy mushroom sauce, cremi gajai senu merse, 250 grams fresh mushrooms sliced, 250 grami svaigu senu, sagriesta skelites, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 maza sipola smalki sakapata, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 kiploka daivinas sasmalchinatas, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 edam karots sviesta, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 glaze salda crehuma, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 tejkarotis sals, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 tejkarotis melno piparu, fresh dill or parsley, chopped for garnish, svaigi diles vai petasili, sakapati, decoresanai for the golden roasted potatoes, zeltainagem septagem kartupeliem, 4 to 5 medium potatoes peeled and cut into wedges, 4 lids, 5 videji kartupeli, nomizoti un sagriesti daivinas, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 edam karots augu elas, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tejkarotis sals, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 tejkarotis melno piparu, 1 teaspoon dried dill or rosemary or both, 1 tejkarote kaltetu dilu vai rosmarina vai abi, and for the cold beetroot soup, Aukstā Zupa, un Aukstā Biešu zupai Aukstā Zupa, 2 medium cooked beets peeled and grated or diced, 2 videjas varitas bietes, nomizotas un sarivetas vai sagriestas cubinos, 1 large cucumber diced, 1 lils gurkis sagriest cubinos, 4 radishes sliced, 4 radisis sagriestis skelites, 4 boiled eggs chopped, 4 varitas olas sakapatas, 1 small bunch green onions sliced, 1 niliel saiskis locinu sagriesti, 1 liter kefir or buttermilk, 1 liters kefira vai paninu, 200 milliliters sour cream, 200 milliliters skaba krejuma, fresh dill chopped, svaigas diles sakapatas, salt and pepper to taste, sals un pipari pek garsas. Now let's cook each dish step by step. Tagad gatavosim katru edienu soli pasolim. And as I explained, show live action shots of each step in the kitchen. Step 1. Prepare the pork schnitzels. 1. Soles. Sagatavoyet kugalas Schnitzels. Place each pork chop between 2 sheets of plastic wrap and gently pound with the meat mallet until about 0.5 centimeters thick. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Set up 3 bowls, 1 with flour, 1 with beaten eggs, and 1 with breadcrumbs. Dredge each pork chop first in flour, then dip in egg, and finally coat with breadcrumbs. Show close-ups of pounding, seasoning, and breading the pork. Note, if you're short on time, you can also buy pre-made pork schnitzels from the store and simply fry them at home. Ja jums nav daudz laika. Varat iegādāties gatavas kugalas Schnitzels veikala un tikai apceptas mājās. Step 2. Fry the schnitzels. 2. Solis. Kepiet Schnitzels. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Fry schnitzels for 2-3 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Drain on paper towels and keep warm. Show live action shots of frying and draining schnitzels. Step 3. Make the creamy mushroom sauce. 3. Solis. Pagatavoyet kremigo senu mersi. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat. Add onions and garlic, saute until soft. Add mushrooms and cook until golden. Pour in cream, season with salt and pepper, and simmer for 5 minutes until thickened. Stir in fresh herbs and keep warm. Show live action shots of each stage, sauteing, simmering, and finishing the sauce. Step 4. Prepare the golden roasted potatoes. 4. Solis. Sagatavojiet zeltainos septos kartupelis. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss potato wedges with oil, salt, pepper, and herbs. Spread on a baking tray and roast for 30-35 minutes, turning once until crispy and golden. Show live action shots of tossing, spreading, and roasting the potatoes. Step 5. Make the cold beetroot soup, Aukstā Zupa. 5. Solis. Pagatavodziet Aukstā Biešu Zupu, Aukstā Zupu. In a large bowl, combine cooked beets, cucumber, radishes, green onions, and chopped eggs. Pour in kefir or buttermilk and add sour cream. Stir in fresh dill, season with salt and pepper. Chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour before serving. Show live action shots of mixing, stirring, and chilling the soup. To serve, plate the schnitzels with a generous spoonful of creamy mushroom sauce. Add a side of golden roasted potatoes and pour the cold beetroot soup into bowls. Paznieciet Schnitzels ar bagatigu karoti cremiga senumerses. Pievienogiet zeltainos ceptos kartupelus un Aukstā Biešu zupu ilegiet plodas. Don't forget a thick slice of rye bread. Neaizmirstiet biesu rupšmaisis skeli. Ready to cook Latvian style. Gatavi gatavot Latviešu stila? Let's go and make this meal together. Prika, saksimun gatavosim so maltitiko paprika. Show the final feast on the table, ready to enjoy.